Good morning, friends. Today is 10th October and I'm Shuchi Runta here presenting the morning market update. The Nifty lost 17 points on Friday to close at 17,314. We saw major action in the currency and the world markets. Rupee hitting fresh lows at 82.8, dollar index bouncing back from the supports of 110 and currently trading at 112.7. Crude oil gave an upward breakout, breaking swing highs, trading around 92. US markets, after a rally of 5 to 7%, had a massive sell off again, forming an island reversal kind of a structure on major indices, losing over 2.5% on Friday. What can we expect from our markets? We have been constantly highlighting every day in our last week updates that we need a follow up buying and a close above 17,400 to confirm that we have made a bottom. This has clearly lacked. Multiple studies like the daily RSI below 50, short term moving averages, and the negative crossover Fibonacci levels all coincide at the 17,400 500 zone, which could not be taken out by the bulls. On the hindsight, 17,200 becomes an important support below which we mentioned that bears will become active and we could see the retest of the recent lows of 16,750. A close below 17,200 will get the bearish momentum active, which looks like the case considering all factors. The FIIs continued with their selling spree, selling over 2250 crores in cash market. The option chain on Nifty is highlighting significant amount of call writing has taken place on the highest strike prices. On the sectoral front, IT stocks have shown relative strength last week, and considering the chart setup, USD INR values, this sector's risk reward ratio looks favorable on the bullish side. IT, pharma, and the capital goods sector looks strongest currently in the entire list, showing relative strength. The other sectors post the recovery last week all are right below their moving averages and resistance, hence we may see weakness in them. The earning seasons has started and we have the IT giant TCS results to be announced today. SGX Nifty trades around 17,000, hinting the gap down opening around these levels. Levels to watch out for the day. Nifty support will be seen at 17,180 and 17,000. Resistance 17,335 and 17,415. For Bank Nifty, support will be seen at 38,600 and 37,980. Resistance 39,230 and 39,560. Thank you.